Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. So today I'm going to show you how to draw She-Hulk from the new show She-Hulk Attorney at Law. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe. That would be awesome. And let's just get started. So I'm going to start with the eye. Also, I'm just going to do this in kind of an anime style. I believe I forgot to mention that. All right, so let's see. I'm going to start with an eye. I'm going to do a shape like that. This is going to be the top part of the eye. We can kind of thicken this part up. And then I'm going to color that in all black. All right, next we can do a line here on the bottom. And we can come on up and do a shape like this. Now we can do an inside here. There's just an inside, kind of like a big blob here. and then we can do another strange little blob here on the bottom. And everything except those little blobs can be colored in all black. Like that. And we can add some eyelashes here. And I'm going to add a little top line here that follows the curve of this top part of the eye. And next, let's do an eyebrow. Like that. And I'm going to give a little nose right here, just kind of like a little sideways triangle. And we can do a little smile. And let's get started on the other eye. So we can come on up and do a shape like this, kind of like a candy cane shape here. And we're gonna make this top part thick, just like we did with the other eye. I'm gonna thicken up this part a little bit, because I can see that I made this eye a little bit taller than this one. So I'm gonna try to match them up a little bit more. So I'm gonna make this part a bit taller, a bit thicker, and then add that top line again. So now it should match up a little bit better. Do a little line here on the bottom, and then do the inside same as we did the inside on the other eye. And we can do a few eyelashes. Oh, sorry, that's my dogs, they're barking. Something must be going on outside the window. Oh, okay, sorry if you could just hear my dogs barking just then. All right, so let's do that other eyebrow. Okay, and now I'm going to do the face shape. So we can come on down here, do a little bit of a cheek. Come on down there a bit more. And meet up here at the chin. Okay, and now let's do some hair. So in the show, it seems like She-Hulk doesn't have any bangs, just has long, flowy, dark hair. it seems like it's mostly very wavy. But I'm sure if you want to draw her with straight hair, that's up to you. Or maybe you want to draw her with her hair up. But I'm just going to do long wavy hair. A few more little bits here and there. All right, so next let's do a little line here for a neck, and right here, and then we can do a curve here for the neck of the shirt. And I'm going to put some more hair coming down here. And now we've got a bit of a shoulder here and a line for an arm. And let's see, I'm going to do a few little bunches of fabric right here for the bottom of her shirt. It's going to be kind of tucked into her skirt that she's going to be wearing. Okay, so for the skirt we can do a line there and a line here. All right, and have the end of her sleeve here. A little bit of fabric there in the armpit area, and then her hand is kind of off the page there. And on this side we can have her holding some files, maybe some important business law files. So we've got a thumb and working on a finger there and another, and then we can have her sleeve, the cuff of her sleeve right there. And do we want to do business files or a bag? Let's do business files and a bag. All right, so we'll have a strap here for a handbag. Or maybe it's like her briefcase kind of situation. Like that. And a line going this way and one going this way. It'll be more like a purse. And the other side of the strap going there. Yeah, this will be more, this is a purse size bag. And then we can have some files, some paper, some documents, important documents, who knows. And her sleeve here. And then her arm is coming out here. And all the files here are being held like in her arm, between her arm and her side. All right, so done the drawing, and now I'm going to get started with some color. All right, folks, we are finished our She-Hulk picture. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to learn how to draw next, or what you would like to see me draw next. And thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever tomorrow's doodle is going to be. All right, have a great day, everybody. Goodbye.